Govich.
I'm Maggie Dew.
And I'm Caleb Stevenson.
And it's Fancy Friday here at Tri-Valley High School.
And we're here to show you our fancy new school.
So let's start with the parking lot.
This is our new parking lot.
Look at all the new parking spaces.
And look who's parking now.
Dr. Mauser!
Welcome to the brand new shop room. As you can see, we have some updated storage units right here.
We also have a new space for storage up here in the mezzanine.
And if you come this way, we have a brand new classroom built into the room where students will be able to study and use the computers during their shop class.
Our new ag classroom, and as you can see, this is where it used to end, but it's been extended out to here so we can have plenty of room for our growing school.
Along with the extension, we went ahead and added some new LED lights and then lots of storage space over here.
And it's not just an ag room. Over here we have the food science area and life skills class.
Our new agriculture classroom. Our new art class is largely the same, with new LED lighting, new storage space, and even a brand new kiln.
This is our brand new fitness center, and it's been completely transformed. This used to be the band and choir room here, and then on the other side it was special ed rooms. But we've added new lights, new floor, new equipment, and it's the perfect place for all the activities here that we have at Tri-Valley.
And this area over here is our cardio. So you see right here, we have our brand new rowing machines. And then if you go this way, we have our new Soul Fitness bikes, all of which help to improve cardio.
And then over here we have our pit machines, and these help isolate specific muscle groups. And the great thing about these is that they're great for any level of fitness, whether it's PE or strength. Right here we have a brand new outdoor exit, as well as some new windows to bring in some natural light.
We also have new, easily accessible bathrooms within our fitness center, brand new drinking fountains, and 8 power rack systems for both our strength classes and athletic activities.
All in all, this is a great fit for our community.
So that's it for phase 1 of our renovations. Next March we'll be starting phase 2.
Right where we're standing, we'll be having building additions, which include an auditorium, an auxiliary gym, and new band and choir classes.
And next summer we start all the brand new classrooms.
Thanks for watching.